Hello everyone, welcome to Liminal. Today we'll see how we can receive digital assets from other accounts into Liminal. Once you log into Liminal, this is a dashboard that will appear. At the top right, you'll see two buttons, Receive and Send. Click on the Receive button in green. A pop-up will appear in which you'll have to select the wallet in which you want to receive your assets. Once you select the wallet, click on Confirm. Now the screen will show you the QR code and the address of the wallet. You can click on the copy icon here to copy the address and share with the person from whom you're going to receive the funds. Once a user has sent the assets on the address shared by you, you can check the same via two methods. Method number one, on the left hand side of the dashboard, you'll see the option called as history. Click on it. You'll get the transaction history across all the wallets under Liminal. Now this can be confusing in case you have too many wallets or if the transaction volumes is very high. Now you can use the method number two. Just above history, you have wallets. Click on wallets. Select the wallet in which you have received the transaction. Go to history. Now you'll see the assets that you have received here. So this way you can receive transactions from other accounts into your Liminal wallets. Thank you.